What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and I had to tune back again, man. It's been a long time. I've been out there working. I know. But first and foremost, I want to say congratulations to the Algo Bulls, to the Algo holders. Congratulations. We went up to, I believe I called it out in my Algo to the Moon video. I'll leave a link up there so you can reference me. But I called out a top of $1.73, and we got it. So let's recap what we just went through, and I'll give you at the end of the video what I think is about to come. So let's get down to it. This last big massive run, Algo was kind of like the last one to break out. We saw Ethereum run up. We saw the Binance coin run up. Every Litecoin ran up beautifully too. And almost all the other coins ran up first. And I was kind of getting worried about Algo at first. And I was like, oh my God, like everybody else has experienced a beautiful like 10% plus run. Why hasn't Algo done it? But Algo, like always, I should have already known how our Algo reacts and the characteristics of Algo, basically. I should have known that, yeah, Algo's the last one to move. It takes its time. It's chilling. And just like that, Algo was the last one to blow up and break out. And as you can see, the breakout point was right around here, the 26th of March. That's when the Algo price, the medium Algo price, was $1.07. And as you can see, the top of this bull run right now was $1.79, about $1.80. We can round up to $1.80. But the previous high was $1.86, and that was on, let me see. That was on the 12th of February. That was the highest yet. But so yeah, where are we going now? What we're currently looking at right now is a day chart. So let's examine, slice and dice Algo, and the Green Dot Whisperer will give you his prediction of what's about to happen. So let's move down to the 4 hour. Actually, let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's do that. Let's get out of here. Let's see what the other indicators are telling us. Look at this, right? And that's just printed, actually. Just printed today at 8 o'clock when the VWAP resets, which is something I always preach about in Chart Champions. If you haven't joined that yet, go ahead and do. It's a beautiful community of traders. We all help each other out. And who knows? We all grow in how good of a trader we are becoming. We see it, you know. We go out in there sometimes and just call out all the money we made out. But join the community, because there's power in community. There's power in numbers. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be bigger than Wall Street Bets and we could pump a coin or a stock together. But if you're trying to learn the game, trying to get your feet wet, definitely that's a place to start. We do have a Signals channel, but that's paid lifetime membership. If you want more details in that, join Chart Champions and then hit us up and we'll give you the link for the VIP Signal channel. But I'm gonna leave the description, the link for Chart Champions in the description below. So as I was saying, we got a red dot right here, and that's a pretty strong red dot, honestly. That has VWAP power. I'm gonna push it down. I normally don't go smaller than the 1 hour on crypto, but I just kind of want to see where it's at. Yeah, that's gonna be a powerful move. It's gonna cross right by the histogram on the MACD. Histogram being here. There's certain things that we look for as power plays. Oh no, actually this might start pumping up. See guys, I've mentioned this before. Remember we traded this. This was one of the videos. And I said, oh, my take profit on one of the videos was $1.44, which I left that line up there. But look what just happened. That $1.44 that was a take profit before now became resistance because we're falling. And right at the $1.44 point that the Green Dot Whisperer called out, we are bouncing. The support is supporting and it's going up. It's trying to turn bullish again until we pass these EMAs. That's when we're in the bullish territory. Until you see the upper bubble over here, over on the wave oscillator, that's when we're in the bullish territory. Until you see these MACD lines right here pass through the histogram, that's when we're in bullish territory again. But I like this. I like that my $1.44 was support. It's rejecting. And that's what we're going to get down. I know you guys don't like it. I'm the green dot whisperer, but I definitely pay attention to these red dots, you know, because I guess there's a short seller out there that's a red dot whisperer. But the way I lined up, I don't get quite to tell you when it blows up, but I am going to tell you that it's not looking good for the entire crypto market. For the entire Bitcoin has already crashed, and you saw how badly it fell. This is going to follow, guys, because this is a 2-day chart. And yes, look at this. We're way overbought. We have to breathe a little bit, come back down, right? Let's look at this MACD over here. We're above. We're going to come down a little bit. It looks like it's about to cross right here. We'll blow this up a little bit. Yeah, you see this? When this crosses, that's a bearish diversion going down. So it's going to push the price further down. And this is a 2-day. This just started, guys. This is the first red 2-day candle. So there's about to be 3 more red 2-day candles. So we got to pay close attention to this. We can't ignore the facts. You know, I don't care if you guys hit the dislike button instead of the like button because you don't like me saying that Algo is going to fall. But hey, it's a cycle. Everything's a cycle. We got bull cycles, we got bear cycles, we got consolidation. All right. Right now we're in a bear cycle. We could see the EMAs bunching up, wanting to turn down, and they're gonna turn down. So I'll prove it to you right now. Prove you that my strategies and methods work. Well, now, honestly, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Crypto Cardi because my man be putting me on game. He's my mentor, my trading mentor, and he shows me. He's like, John, pay attention to when the EMAs cross through the candles. That's usually a big move. Actually, let's go see the drop right here. So yeah, so that first candle right here, we had seen this first candle print on the 4-hour chart, right? And you had seen the EMAs bunching up. When they bunch up like that, they're going to break out. And this is going through the candle, right? So when they bunch out like that, they're going to break down and they're going to give you on the bullish side, like the 3 white soldiers, you know, so you're going to get 3 candles. So if you catch it on a smaller time frame, when it's really bunched up and you correlate it to the red or the green dots on the wave oscillator for the volume and the power, it's a beautiful move. But over here, this is not the best example, honestly, but it goes through the candle. You see the next 3 red candles that print it. So that's basically what I'm trying to show you guys is that that's about to happen here. See, this crossing down, bearish diversion. These red candles are going to meet this 34 EMA right here. Actually, it went past it. If you see, it wicked down all the way to $1.24 already. That was the cheapest price. But you see how we had other resistance. You see how it's trying to bounce up from 144. Cool, it'll do that. We'll get a little breathing green room, but it's going to break down again. That's what I'm predicting. What I'm getting ready for is actually I'm getting ready to become a Algo whale, because when I did come into Bitcoin, I came in and to crypto space. I came in like halfway through the bull run. So I had to be a good trader and get good entries and sell out. But now it's bear season, basically. It's bearish territory time, and I love this. I love this because this is my opportunity to buy the bottom, long the bottom, and make me a bigger bag of Algo, which is awesome. It's awesome. So there's different ways to play it now. If you're an Algo holder, you hodl Algo, stay hodl. Wait for different, buy some more at $1.44, buy some more at $1.22, buy some more at $1.16, and then wait to see if it even flirts going underneath $1. And if it goes underneath $1, I'm, like I've said before, I'm backing up the truck and I'm loading up. You know, and if you're a hodler, just save money to know that there's potential good deals coming. All right. It could be potentially the Black Friday sale of crypto for all coins. So prepare yourself for that. Save some money, put some money on the side. If you still got some of that stimulus check left, get into the crypto game now because there's going to be discounts. So you don't want to buy when it's all shooting up. You kind of want to build your position at the discounts, at the cheaper prices, and just wait for the shoot up. So, and Algo provides the staking reward, which makes it the greatest coin to hodl. You know what I mean? To hold, you're getting paid to hold basically. So it's good, and you're buying bottoms, you're buying support lines. It's a winning formula, guys. So do not be afraid of it going down. Like I said, there's two different ways you can play. You can play with the holding side, like I said, hodl it, or you could just, if you're already in profit, don't be greedy. Sell out. There's going to be more blood coming. Don't be greedy. So sell out, go to a stable coin, and wait to get a cheaper bottom, a better support line, like I pointed out. If you want to do it and come back in stages, you know, maybe put a third of your profits in at $1.44, another third $1.22, you know, or quarters or whatnot. But have a plan. Tether out, wait for the bottom, and then go back in, and you'll have more coins than what you started with, basically. And that's the go, you know, hit the top, tether out, wait for the bottom, go back in. It works. Or hodl with the stake percentage and buy support lines with new money. So like I said, don't be afraid to take profit. Don't be one of those guys that like, nah, it's gonna keep going. Like, guys, come on, guys. The red dot is all the way on the 3-day chart. You know, it's climbing. It's all the way on the week chart, guys. You know, don't ignore the facts. There's not enough data for the month chart, but it's gonna come. The month is about to end. We could go down to BTC. We could go down to Bitcoin on their month chart because they have enough data. And when the month ends, I've said this last month, that the top is near. The top is near. This red dot comes, it's coming down. Look how far up on the RSI we are, guys. We're past it. We're nearing the top, or we're at the top, and it's time for Black Friday sales. And I'm a buyer. I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna build a beautiful foundation with these cheap low prices, and then just watch it grow onto the next bull run. That's why I've been working a lot. That's why I've been trying to get this new money, to put new money, and, you know, come on, get us richer quicker. I'm not trying to do this all day. I'm trying to, you know, get all the capital so I can make more capital and create capital with my trading. That's another thing. I go to work to earn capital. When I trade and I make profits, I create capital. It's a beautiful thing, guys. Green Dot Whisperer, signing out. Love ya. Take care. Stay blessed. And get money.